All right, guys, November 18th on a Monday. I just got to my second project of the day. This is a small one, but it's going to be a good one. So anyway, my assistant wasn't able to meet me at this job. He's having car issues, but it's okay. I've been doing this for a long time by myself. So anyway, guys, this is Mr. Lee. I think he found me on Google. Originally sent me pictures, and I still came out the day, but when we got here, it was a little late. So we were scheduled for today. So this is going to be a wood floor cleaning and recoat. They actually pulled the carpet, and there's a lot of glue substance on the carpet. So I want to use a special solvent to kind of help break the surface tension of the glue, bond it to the wood floors, and then follow with a screen and recoat. And that's one thing I like about my clients. Lee told me, he said, Courtney, listen, not looking for perfection, just want the floors clean really good and just looking better. So let me flip this around, show you guys what I'm doing. All right, so you guys, here it is. So this is just basically a lot of glue substance, again, on the floor. They pull the carpet, and yeah, that's what we got, a lot of glue substance. So it's already 1.5 room and a hallway. So we got this area right here. So I got one of my special Courtney sauces made up. Then we got this hallway, and then in here we're just going around the bed. Mr. Lee said, Courtney, you're not going to move the bed. It's not too bad in here, but again, all the floors are going to get the same treatment, love, and tender care. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, guys, get these floors treated, and yeah, see how good we can get these floors looking. All right, and then we got the hallway. There's my machine right there, my PEX 500. Really enjoying that machine. How much better these floors look now. This is just cleaning. So I got a few fans going, help dry the floors out before I start screening. Man, huge difference. Check out this room over here, guys. Look at that. Wow. Just cleaning. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get a nice good screen on this floor and get some good coating on it. I'm gonna go with some Pro Coat Aqua Pro satin. Stay tuned. This floor came out better than I thought it did. Look at that.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Ask everybody to walk lightly. Can't just stomp down the hallway.
No, sir. Wow.
Slide, just don't go into the nail.
Hey, Lee, how did you hear about me again, by the way?
Well, I guess I looked up on Google.
Google, okay.
I have this, these little booklets that, top 5.
Uh-huh. All right, guys, look at this now. That looks amazing. My client, Mr. Bush, is very pleased with the results. So, guys, that's going to do it. The finish is still drying in certain places, so I kind of tipped around. And I'm going to go home and get ready for tomorrow. Got a screen of recoat tomorrow that was actually referred to us. And Kevin went out and cleaned the carpets today. And I'm going to do the wood floors tomorrow. They're putting the house on the market. All right, guys, so that's going to do it. And floors came out really good. Oh, I actually need to go over there and get my light. And Mr. Bush said he just wanted the floors really just clean. He pulled the carpet up. And but yeah, this floor came out really good. And thank you again, Lee.
All right, yeah.
He actually gave me a lot of compliments. So he loved my company name, and
Yeah.
yes, sir.
A real name.
Yeah, so he loves it as a real
Not
name.
High Glow Company.
There you go. And he also said, Courtney, one thing I liked about it, you specialize in this. It's just not a jack of all trades. So when he saw me bringing in my equipment and things like that, he can really tell. People can really tell, man, when you take pride in, your work. They can just tell by looking at, your equipment and your website. I had a guy tell me before. He said, I know you take care of your business because you got good tires. So yeah, people do see that, and especially the quality clients like Mr. Bush. He said, Courtney, I'm not looking for just anybody just come in here and just do it. I want somebody who actually specializes in getting this floor clean. But he said in the future, he actually going to have us come back. He want to redo the whole house and get it fully sanded. But this is he just pulled the carpet up and just could not continue to look at this floor looking like it did. With all that glue substance on it. All right, guys, that's going to do it. See you in the next one.